This is the true meaning of using Damaru. If I repeat again, external meaning is sound of liberation. Internal meaning is recognition of truth or realization of truth, which is great emptiness. So there's a true meaning of using a Damaru. So the first one, external meaning, I already explained to you, sound of liberation. When you use Damaru, you have to visualize sound of Damaru goes to all sentient beings liberated from suffering and samsara, whoever heard the sound of Damaru. This is external meaning. Internal meaning is you have to focus on the sound. The sound comes from where? Because according to Mahayana and Tantrayana believe that everything is emptiness. That's why we always read in the Trema practice, Tong Sumji, Tong Chembo. We start from there, right? Tong Sumji, Tong Chembo means a great emptiness. So which you have to achieve that stage. In order to achieve that stage, you have to practice. So therefore, internal meaning of using Damaru is in order to achieve great emptiness, in order to recognize great emptiness. That's why using a Damaru. Now let me tell you how to achieve, how to visualize, how to practice in order to achieve great emptiness by using Damaru. So when you use a Damaru, you have to visualize that the sound of the Damaru come from where? The sound of the Damaru is not come from the wood, the Damaru made by wood, right? The sound is not come from wood. Sound is not come from the skin, the skin which is covered the Damaru. Sound is not come from the skin. Sound is come from the emptiness, empty inside. The sound come from there. You have to visualize like that. All the phenomena outside or inside, all the phenomena, there is no such exists good and bad. Good and bad is created by our mind. There is no such as good and bad in the object. You have to visualize like that. Same like an emptiness. Even though emptiness also can create the sound, same like that, the whole phenomena, there is no good and bad, but still create good and bad because of our mind. Objectively, there is no such good and bad. So this is what you have to visualize and meditate like that, and you have to look at to that point. So that is higher practice.